Quartix dashcams bring a new level of insight and security to your fleet management experience. Requesting and accessing the footage your cameras record is easy with our system's integration. Video footage may be requested from one of two places. First, the Dashcam footage report. From the main menu, select Trips and then Dashcam footage. From the right side of the menu, select the vehicle in question. You will see a calendar at the top of the screen with each day of the month. Days where Dashcam footage is available are highlighted, so you can easily identify when footage was either requested by a user or triggered by an event. You'll see the time of the event and can view and/or download the footage or view it on the map to give you a complete picture of the circumstances. The Dashcam footage report also includes an indication of the data budget used by your entire fleet. You can also access available footage from the daily route map. Select the vehicle and the date. You will see camera icons along the driver's route that will signal an event or a footage request. Clicking on those icons will display the footage which has been uploaded to the Quartix server. From here, you can request footage or download footage that has been previously requested. Please note, to ensure the privacy of your drivers, audio is disabled by default, and our service does not include real-time live streaming. The Quartix connected Dashcam service enables easy access to your video footage, both while the ignition is on or off, subject to network coverage. If you have any questions regarding our integrated dashcams, contact our support team today.